Makeup Tutorial Girl. Mantisha loved makeup. She spent hours watching tutorials and practicing different looks in her room. She felt happy and creative when playing with colors and brushes. However, her mother, Mrs. Rifakat, did not like Mantisha's hobby. She thought it was a waste of time and worried that Mantisha would neglect her studies. One evening, Mrs. Rifakat walked into Mantisha's room and saw the mess of cosmetics everywhere. She scolded Mantisha. "Why do you spend so much time on this nonsense? You should be focusing on your schoolwork." Mantisha felt sad but tried to explain. "Mom, makeup is my passion. It helps me express myself." Mrs. Rifakat didn't understand. She left the room, still upset. The next day, Mantisha's teacher called. Mrs. Rifakat to praise Mantisha's excellent grades and mentioned her talent for makeup. Mrs. Rifakat realized her mistake. She apologized to Mantisha and promised to support her hobbies. Mantisha smiled, feeling understood and loved. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.